Hi ladies, welcome back to another week of ID 5020. This week we're going to be talking about student interaction, which is really important because it is directly tied to student engagement, which is often linked to student success in one class and also persistence in a program. So Moore's work in this area was really groundbreaking, and it's important for us to consider this in all aspects of all of the classes that we design or fix in our project case. Anyway, I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Continue to ask questions about your project. Hopefully you're kind of starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. And again, if you have questions, let me know. We can talk through it, or if there's some things you want to try, let me know. We can talk through it. I encourage you to be bold. Points are not deducted if you're bold and something doesn't work out. It's only deducted if you're not trying things. So please keep that in mind. And this week, especially in our project forum, if you have any really cool tools that you've seen out there, share them. I know we all are in different places working, so you might have access to something, or you might have seen something and used it, and I encourage you to share that with one another. It can make this week's work really fun. Have a great day.